Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Velo basically is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.61% in fundamentally most recent 60-minute, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo basically has a really complete market cap of $25,278,317 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $16,880,375 in an unpretentious manner. This in a real sense makes Velo truly positioning at 586 in the cryptographic money market and in an every practical sense significant way. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Velo generally be truly worth in 2023, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking? Is Velo a sort of wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will Velo cost really outperform its untouched high, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking? These generally are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo value expectation 2023, which for the most part is very critical. As per the Velo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Velo cost in a real sense is supposed to especially cross an extremely normal value level of $0. The normal certainly least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the really current year ought to be $0, which in a real sense is very huge. Besides, Velo can in a real sense arrive at a greatest value level of $0, or so they generally thought. Velo value gauge April 2023. The genuinely normal cost of Velo could go to $0 the finish of April 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo could generally be exchanging around and in every practical sense. Greatest worth of $0, the really least expected cost of $0, which explicitly is very huge. Velo value conjecture May 2023. The Velo value for May 2023 may arrive at an in every way that really matters. Least worth of $0, the fundamentally greatest determined cost by and large is around $0, which explicitly is very huge. The extremely normal cost for Velo in every practical sense is truly anticipated to especially reach $0 May 2023 in an unpretentious way. Velo value gauge June 2023. For June 2023, the cost of Velo sort of is really anticipated to arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a limit of $0, at least $0, a kind of enormous manner. Velo value expectation July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Velo cost basically is figured to by and large arrive at a least cost of $0 in unobtrusive manner. The Velo cost could especially arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0, the genuinely normal expected cost around $0 in unpretentious manner. Velo value conjecture August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Velo sort of is generally anticipated to arrive at an especially normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a for the most part limit of $0, at least $0, which in a real sense is very huge. Velo value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Velo cost in every way that really matters is conjectured to essentially arrive at a practically the least cost of $0 in unobtrusive manner. The Velo cost could arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0, the typical expected cost around $0, a sort of huge manner. Velo value gauge October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Velo truly is for the most part anticipated to truly arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a limit of $0, a by and large least of $0, which basically shows that Velo value conjecture April 2023, the very normal cost of Velo could commonly go to $0 the finish of April 2023 in a huge manner. Velo value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Velo generally is supposed to for the most part be at around a sort of least of $0, a quite large manner. Velo cost can fundamentally arrive at a sort of limit of $0, the truly normal cost of $0 USD, which essentially shows that this makes Velo truly positioning at 586 in the digital currency market, which essentially is genuinely critical. Velo value expectation December 2023. The cost of Velo truly is generally anticipated to generally reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0 December 2023 in an extremely enormous way. The Velo cost could arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0, the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, which is genuinely critical. Velo in every practical sense, past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been truly diminished by 6.77% in its sort of current worth in a very enormous manner, assuming we certainly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Velo with yesterday. you can fundamentally see that the market cap truly is likewise down, which really is genuinely huge. Velo in a real sense is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. The Velo is down to nearly 16.23% over the most recent 7 days in a genuinely significant manner. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for pretty past by and large couple of days. The coin could have areas of strength for commonly at the same time. We don't generally imagine that it would a productive resource in essentially present moment. Sort of additional appearance how Velo value figure November 2023. In November 2023 the cost of Velo sort of is supposed to explicitly be at around at least $0, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo truly diminished by 58.699%, killing an incredible truly normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a by and large great in a real sense purchase a valuable open door for exceptionally fast venture, which generally is very huge. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 61.57%, and the cost really flowed from a kind of least genuinely normal cost of $0, extremely greatest exceptionally normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days. In spite of mainstream thinking, and most certainly most recent 4 months Velo all things considered, has shown a developing pattern in a by and large significant manner. Subsequently, we truly feel that comparable pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, showing the way that Velo could generally be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $0, the sort of least expected cost of $0, which especially is genuinely critical. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo is expanded from 4 months, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost in an especially huge manner. The coin basically is up by 78.37%, with the by and large greatest pretty typical cost of the coin in every practical sense was around $0. The base genuinely normal cost of in every practical sense was around $0, especially beyond 4 months. So the by and large normal cost for Velo basically is somewhat anticipated to generally reach $0 May 2023, or so they really thought. What will in a real sense be Velo genuinely worth in 2023, or so they especially thought. The Velo cost essentially is determined to arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $0, genuinely least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, which truly is genuinely huge. Does Velo basically have a future in an especially enormous manner? As far as value, Velo fundamentally has an extraordinary pretty potential to generally arrive at new levels. It explicitly is estimate that Velo will increment in esteem, so subsequently, we most certainly imagine that comparative pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period, showing the way that Velo could basically be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $0, the really least expected cost of $0, which truly is genuinely critical, as per truly unambiguous specialists and business experts. Velo can basically stir things up around town the greatest cost of $1.18 till 2030, showing how the Velo cost in every way that really matters.